God that give Ghana peace of mind, may you locate Nigeria. God that give Ghana peace of mind, calmness, may you also locate Nigeria. If you be Nigeria person and they find themselves here in Ghana, thank God. This land has blessed millions of Nigeria. I go worship them as my black Jesus. Because it's what the Nigeria, I know they comfortable. Yeah, only be my country. I feel relaxed, comfortable. Everything is nice, working well for me.
When I wake up in the morning, I just look up and say, God, thank you for making Ghana.
Honestly, we need to be grateful to God for Ghana and Ghanaians for making us having a home as Nigerians. These Nigerians came out to share their gratitude, how Ghana have saved their life. Ever since they came to Ghana, things have really changed for them. Please do well by liking the video and don't forget to comment your thought below on the comment section.
We beg you, God that give Ghana peace of mind, may you locate Nigeria. God that give Ghana peace of mind, calmness, may you also locate Nigeria. If you be Nigeria person and they find themselves here in Ghana, thank God. I know they tell you say thank God, say Ghana be this thing, be heaven, no, but they tell you say Ghana, Ghana, the day ahead of Nigeria currently now in everything. Check Ghana president Mahama. Check what the man is doing for the country. Check Ghana, check Ghana police, where they treat people. If Ghana police now they go arrest you, they no go beat you, they no go do all this unless you prove stubborn. But Nigeria police, once they see you, they don't crack gun, they go use gun beat you, enter inside healers. Why you no go thank Ghana? If you no be say they ungrateful, why you no go take Ghana? Why you no go take Ghana? Why you no go they talk good about Ghana people? If you no be say you be ungrateful human being. See, forget, I know say Ghana here, people they will say that they suffer, but they get peace of mind. Nigeria, you go to suffer, you know still get peace of mind. Poor man no get peace of mind. Rich man no get peace of mind. What did they happen? Why can't you appreciate Ghana? If you see yourself for this content, why can't you say good something about this content? Content will be saying go work out for 12 o'clock. Content will be saying go work out for 1 o'clock. Nobody go disturb you. Since where you dey here, you don't very hear say they kidnap person. Since where you dey here, since I take almost 6 years now, I never hear gunshot before. Even from police, I never hear gunshot before. All police vehicle, they must have plate number to show say this car is for police people. But for Nigeria, they go feel use Sienna when no get plate number, come pick person. They operate themselves like say they be criminal self. But for Ghana here, you go see police people, they go dress well, they go use their badge. If you see and you know say this one a police person, you go respect police. So why can't you appreciate Ghana? Why can't you appreciate their kindness? Most of them what they yourself, now see they do a rubbish thing, but they still they bear them. If now you go bear that thing for your country, Nigeria. If now you go bear that kind of thing, what be something that they do for you, you go feel bear them for your country. You will be Nigeria person. So if you tell me, see, if you there here, Ghana here, I know they appreciate Ghana. Just know say you don't ungrateful. This land has blessed millions of Nigeria. This land Ghana don't make millions of Nigeria see buy car. This land don't bless plenty people. Even those that are doing it legal and illegal, it don't bless plenty people. So why can't you appreciate the country? Ghana is the best country in Africa. I never go to Africa, but Ghana is the best country in Africa. As for today, and this is 100% human being. Everybody live like, be like UK. People, they live with respect, with the laws. Go to traffic light. People, they obey traffic light. If you see car for road, they say they like everybody, everything they accurate. You go tell me, say, I cannot talk good about Ghana. I pour you speed. If they condemn Ghana, I pour you speed. Ghana is the best country in Africa now, currently. If you like, no worship Ghana as your black Jesus. I go worship them as my black Jesus. Because it's what the Nigeria, I know they comfortable. Yeah, only be my country. I feel relaxed, comfortable. Everything is nice, working well for me. Go talk. Since where they gone for Nigeria, when I come attack the person on comment section, I no believe. Ask yourself, where be youth? Nigeria youth, which work they Nigeria? Where you they do? Nigeria, is it okay for you? Ask yourself this question. What do you they gain as a Nigeria person where you be? What do you they gain? Is Nigeria okay for you? The only work we have in Nigeria is 1, Yahoo, fraud. 2, prostitute. 3, bet Niger. 4, kidnapping. This is the highest paying work for Nigeria. Is he good? Person go talk to about Nigeria, you will insult that person. if Nigeria touch you, yeah, if Nigeria happen to you, you go know say wetin we dey talk self small. I go dey talk, make government dey do something for Nigeria. We dey go down every day. People know they afford food. See, make I no talk. People know they afford food for Nigeria. Let me say you don't afford food yourself. Even if you no chop, make you get peace of mind. Even if you no chop, make you relax. You no go still see food to chop. You no go still get rest of mind. We go talk. You go come our comment section. They insult the person. Say because I will say Igbo people they know they get sense. This and that. You will get sense. What you take your sense they do. Not be how far is how well. Not be how far is how well. We go they worship. Ghana now is my black Jesus. I go they worship them. Country will be say, if you divide our population into 3, it will be past them. But they live comfortably more than we Nigerians. Even if you no chop, that peace of mind, that rest, make it get rest, it no day for Nigeria.
Sometimes, when I wake up in the morning, I just look up and say, God, thank you for making Ghana. Thank God for making Ghana a place where we can run to. If you know if you go a book country, go Ghana. If you get money, you want do honeymoon and you need to be on a budget bet, no be say you go enter flights, go do visa, go Ghana. If you want to enjoy steady electricity, we be say, you go see the value of your money for the lights where you pay for, go Ghana. If you want to sleep for your house in peace, go Ghana. If you want to walk out peacefully, wear dress fine, responsibly, come out without being harassed, go Ghana. Now for only Ghana, I go see people they drive other country plate number. For Ghana, I go see people they drive Togo plate number, Benin Republic plate number. I don't see Ivory Coast plate number for Ghana before. I don't see Nigeria plate number for Ghana before. All you have to do is, if you pay what you're supposed to pay, go Ghana. God, thank you for making Ghana. Because I know a lot of people that Ghana is saving.
Yes, they have all given their points and their reason. Of course, Ghana have saved so many Nigerians. In fact, Ghana is a blessing to the whole of this earth, not only Africa, because a lot of African America, a lot of white people who come to Ghana to survive because their country is choking them. They want to run to Ghana. But I'm going to be really specific about Nigeria because I am a Nigerian. Ghana have saved so many Nigerians. You have no idea where some Nigerians are coming from. I will tell you this today. We Nigerians, some of us, and I quote, we feel more safe in Ghana than Nigeria. We see Ghana as home, that we see Nigeria. I am not joking. I am not saying it for my country to look bad. No, I love my country so much, but I'm telling you the reality. Nigeria is like if when you are going to Nigeria, you are more scared, you are frightened. I want to speak for myself, and if I'm going to Nigeria, I am scared. I don't even know what will become of me. I'm just so careful. I don't see Nigeria as my home the way I see Ghana. Despite the fact that my family, they are not here, they are in Nigeria. Of course, when I go home, I see my mom, my dad, my brothers and sisters, and all those things. But as a person, I feel more home in Ghana than Nigeria. I don't know whether it's the weather or the environment or the aura or the energy in the land. I have no idea what make Nigeria always make me feel that way. But if I'm in Ghana, I feel so different. Despite we are all Africa country, right? We are all black people, The aura in Ghana, the energy in Ghana is so different from Nigeria. You will never understand if you're a Ghanaian because you don't have this experience. You cannot tell. I'm telling you my experience. Maximum I can stay in Nigeria if I visit Nigeria is 1 month. I have never spent 1 month and 1 day before classic. I've never spent 2 months before. If I go to Nigeria, I want to come back home. I want to come to Ghana. I feel I miss home. But if I come to Ghana, it can take me years before I'll go back to Nigeria. Because if I want to go back, I'm also thinking a lot of things on my mind. So Ghana have been a savior to so many Nigerians. And if you're somebody that is very calm, you're somebody who take life one at a time, you are not really in things of this world, you are self-awakened, your self-conscious mind is awakened, you will really feel so okay in Ghana. All you need is just to work. Work, get your basic things, necessity you need in life, and you are okay. But in Nigeria, it's not easy. Nigeria is a wonderful country, blessed with a lot of mineral resources in the land. But I feel that the people were not able to manage the country. And I also think that the problem with Nigeria is the foundation. The foundation in Nigeria, I'm sorry to say, our forefathers did not lay down this foundation well. That is why a lot of forces is against the country. I'm sorry, it's my country, but I wish they can see beyond the physical realm and also go into their self-awakening to see more, to understand these things. But at the same time, do me well by liking the video, and don't forget to also comment your thought below on the comment section of what you also think of the video. And please, at this point, if you have not liked the video, if you have not subscribed, do me well by also hitting your subscribe button to join this amazing family. And don't forget to also share with a friend who would love to watch this video with you. And please, don't forget to also comment your thought like I said before, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and stay blessed, and I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.